Though it might take some time, as was already indicated, you should soon be assigned a spot. A similar email will be sent to you as notification. Follow the instructions below once you receive that mail. Also read how the Google Generative AI search work in Gmail. Click Go to Labs in the mail you received to start enabling Google's AI-generated search. Now you can see the toggle to enable the Google AI generative search experience. Simply switch it on to activate the feature. The terms and conditions will then be displayed to you. Take a moment to carefully read through them, and once you are satisfied, click on the I agree button to proceed. Now, you have successfully enabled Google's new artificial intelligence-backed search experience on your devices. It's time to start exploring and utilizing this innovative feature. Let's dive in and make the most of it.